On today's show, we're meeting a man whose passion for Punjabi food is influenced by the famous Paratha Gully in Chandni Chowk. Here, vibrant colors and full flavors are tenderly explored to transform vegetables, dairy product, cereals, beans and lentils into unforgettable dishes. With the sole aim of delighting his customers, he comes up with unique and innovative recipes for both the vegetarian and the non-vegetarian palate every single day. Join us as we explore the flavors of Amritsar right here in Mumbai. Hello and welcome to the Foodie. I'm Kunal Vijaykar. Now, the plan on this episode is to go to Amritsar, but I have landed on Linking Road, Bandra West, Mumbai. Why? Because the man I'm going to meet is Mr. Pappy Singh, and he does great parathas and Amritsari food right here. So, shall we do some parathas and some great Amritsari food? Come along, let's go. Only parathas, Amritsari tadka. Pappy Singh. Pappy Singh's food career started at the early age of 15. Giving up a stable career in finance, Pappy Singh started Only Parathas. Only Parathas today offers more than 1,000 different types of parathas, bringing North Indian culture to Mumbai. I'm sitting at Only Parathas. On the floor below me is Amritsari Tadka. The man in front of me at the table is Mr. Anil Singh Arora, or fondly called Mr. Pappy Singh Ji. Kaise ho ji?
Hi, I'm fine.
Okay, now this man is very interesting. You did not start wanting to become a hotelier, did you?
Not
you started something else.
I was into finance before.
You were into finance?
Yeah.
Finance
I
before.
started my journey say around in 1990.
Okay.
I was into finance and maybe 10 years I was into finance. I did quite well. Then I think in the year 98, 99, I lost everything. Then my wife, she stood by me saying, okay, now I think we have lost everything. You have such a very good hand in cooking. Why don't you start a restaurant?
Okay.
So then we thought about putting up a restaurant, but not in a regular style like Punjabi food and all that. We wanted to come out with specialty dish
Okay.
Then we thought about parathas. When we thought about parathas, then we thought it's very common in every household. But what I did, I collected 30 base items in vegetarian. Then I multiplied 30 into 30, there were 900. I said, this is that thing.
One minute. This is 900 he's talking about. 900 parathas he's talking about.
Yeah.
I read somewhere there is 1,000 parathas.
It's more than that.
1,000 paratha varieties. But I want to start at the beginning before I come to the 1,000 paratha. I believe you cook yourself.
Definitely.
Where did you learn how to cook? Because most men, unless they go to chef school, don't really know how to cook.
This is, I would say, a God gift to me, and plus I'm inspired by my mom. I should always see her cooking, and she was a very nice cook. Started cooking at the age of 15.
So, Only Paratha started as a small place?
Yeah, the first journey we started was in 2001. I started a small outlet in Lokhandwala.
Okay. And how many parathas did you have in your menu?
Over that time, we had 200 plus parathas on the
You
menu.
already had 200 parathas on your
Right
menu?
now, we have 450 on the menu.
Fantastic. And I think the success of Only Parathas is because of the taste of the parathas and the variety that you get. But then you suddenly decided that you wanted to bring Amritsar to Mumbai.
That was because, initially I had only the ground level with me and the basement. Now the entire half building has come under me.
Okay.
So now I had a lot of space, so I really wanted to come out with different cuisine. And definitely our hardcore cuisine is North Indian, So I said, why not try...
And North Indian Punjabi food.
Yeah, so why not try non-vegetarian with that? So I shifted the non-vegetarian thing at the ground level.
Okay.
And I shifted parathas on the second level.
Okay.
So now I gave the name, it's called Amritsari Tadka. We're doing quite well over there.
Now I know you've got over 1,000 varieties of parathas, but share one or two with us and we'll be very happy.
Chili cheese garlic.
Okay.
We have, first thing I'll like today, we have single layer and double layer. And double layer, I don't think anybody knows about it.
Double layer?
Double layer.
Meaning?
It's like, you make two doughs of atta,
Okay.
make it like chapati.
Okay.
Ek chapati niche rakh ke, put double stuffing. And take another chapati and cover it like a sandwich.
Acha, and then you
Then,
put
there are 2 layers of roti and then a lot of stuffing in between.
Oh, right.
That is called double layer.
So, Papi Singh ji is going to make some parathas for us and then some Amritsari food, some non-veg Amritsari food.
Definitely.
Okay, so I think we should start heading straight to the kitchen and see the magic that is there in his fingers. Let's go. So in the kitchen at Only Parathas, lovely chef code I must say.
Thank you.
Now this is a pure vegetarian kitchen.
Pure vegetarian.
Yeah? And we're going to make marathas.
Yeah.
What parathas are we going to make?
I'm going to make aloo pudina paratha for you.
Chalo, aloo pudina paratha.
Double layer.
Double layer.
Double layer.
Double layer aloo pudina paratha. Shall we start?
Okay, sir. First we take the dough.
Okay. Now this is just atta, maida.
It's pure atta. Pure atta.
Pure atta.
We make two pedas of this.
Okay. So pure gehu ka atta, 2 pedas.
And we take little masala of aloo, plain
Okay.
aloo.
So
And
this
we
is not boiled aloo, no?
boiled aloo. Yeah, boiled aloo with lot of pudina in this.
Okay.
And we have a masala called, that is a paratha masala, which is made by me only.
Okay.
It's comprised around 7 to 8 masalas in this.
Okay.
It's all pre-mixed ready like.
Pre-mixed ready.
So we'll be putting the masalas over here. And the salt to taste.
So, bus, nothing else.
Nothing else.
Now, if I was to try this at home,
Yeah,
instead of the masala, which is of course your secret,
right.
what could I put in?
You can put ajwain, you can put garam masala, lal mirchi powder.
Okay.
Then,
Haldi, waldi,
yeah,
rate?
no haldi, no haldi. Black salt.
So all the
Amchur-
aromatic
amchur powder.
amchur powder.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
This I make it into a chapati now.
So this is the double layer one. This is not going to be stuffed inside, but it's going to be sandwiched between 2 chapatis, if I
Yeah.
may say that. This is the one thing I could never do. However much I cooked, trying to make a round chapati or roti, nahi jamta.
So now 2 chapatis have been made.
2 chapatis
Now
are
we'll
made.
putting the full stuffing over here.
Okay. The full stuffing of aloo, masalas and pudina. And you will leave a little edge outside
Yeah,
so that
yeah.
the chapatis can be...
Now I'll take another chapati,
Okay.
and I'll put it on top and pack it like a sandwich.
Superb. Now this paratha that we've made, is it going to the tandoor? Is it going to the tawa? Tawa.
This you cannot make it in tandoor, double layer.
It'll open up.
Yeah. It's only single layer is made in tandoor. That's
Tandoor. Okay. So this is going to go onto the tawa, and then obviously ghee.
Yeah, definitely.
Huh?
Ghee.
Okay.
This is made into pure ghee.
Okay, so we've got pure ghee happening over here in the tawa, and it's going to be deep fried. Super. Nice and evenly brown, golden color, and when it's nice and crisp outside, it's going to be.
You just keep it over here tight so that all the ghee gets out.
Yeah. Oh my God! Look at this. Now this is called a paratha.
Paratha.
Eh? Superb. And what do you
And this
serve?
is a double layer. This is served with dal chole raita.
Dal, chole, raita, paratha. I will eat when I'm ready to eat. Okay, the paratha is done. Now to get some non-veg food going. और क्या बना रहे हैं आप लोग?
Now I'm making you chicken kali mirch udhyanvi.
चिकन काली मिर्च लुधियानवी. अरे वाह, बोलो पंजाब
Let's-
का
let's
भी है.
start.
Let's start, please.
Okay,
yeah.
sir. First we put butter.
And when Papi Singh says butter, he means butter.
Now we just put butter. Then we're putting kora curd.
Kora curds.
Immediately we put the kaju magaj paste.
This is a rich dish.
A little of green chilies. Lachhedar adrak.
Adrak mirchi is the flavor at the moment.
We'll put white pepper, a little bit of kasturi methi,
कसूरी मेथी,
garam masala, and salt to taste. Salt मैं हमेशा सूंघ के डालता, जैसे मैं मम्मीज फार्मूला, सूंघ के डालोगे कभी ज़्यादा नहीं होगा, तो I do the same.
सॉल्ट सूंघ के डालना चाहिए. So we've got the gravy getting ready, and these are tikkas which have come out of the tandoor.
अभी इसके अंदर मैं थोड़ी मखनी ग्रेवी डालूंगा.
A little bit of makhani gravy to change the color.
इसको फिर मैं cut into pieces.
We are cutting the tikkas, the adraki tikkas into pieces. The adraki tikkas have been marinated in dahi, adrak, garam masala,
या गरम मसाला, जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट,
ginger garlic paste, and then cooked in the tandoor.
now we'll put little of cream, and now I'll garnish with coriander leaves, and in the end I'll put kali mirchi.
Extra curry milk on the top. So white pepper inside, black pepper on top.
Perfect.
Perfect. Rich. Lovely. So, our murg kali mirch is done. So chicken is ready, paratha is ready. Now what are you going to give us?
Chicken chutney anardana. This is a new special dish on our menu.
Chicken chutney anardana.
Yeah.
So
We call it murk chutney anardana.
acha, murg chutney anardana. What is it? But anardana and
It's
anardana.
just a mixture of, like, we have to make a chutney.
Huh.
It's pudina, palak, and dhania with green chilies in that. The chutney is prepared separately.
Okay.
And then the other masala, we have onion tomato gravy with that.
Okay, fine.
We mix it and we make it all that with the spices.
Okay, so this is your creativity.
This is my creativity.
चलो बनाते हैं मुर्ग चटनी अनारदाना.
पहले हम लोग टमाटर की ग्रेवी ले रहे हैं.
This is a paste of onion and tomato, ginger and garlic, just bhun out and kept ready in oil.
इसमें हम लोग अभी मिक्स करेंगे चटनी का पेस्ट.
So now this chutney paste that you're mixing in here
Yeah.
is dhania, hari mirch, pudina.
Yeah. Now we'll start adding the spices.
Okay.
A little of red chili powder, kitchen king masala bit, dhania powder, kasturi methi, garam masala,
Garam masala.
and salt to taste. अब इसके बाद हम लच्छा अदरक डालेंगे थोड़ा.
Lacha adrak. Lacha adrak is long julienne adrak.
Now we'll put cream and butter.
Cream and butter. In goes the butter. Add a little bit of cream.
Now I'll put the chicken pieces. This is boiled.
with a little masala
Yeah,
in it. Huh?
boneless pieces boiled with
And this is boiled with a little bit of haldi,
haldi,
lal mirch.
lal mirchi, and slightly namak. Now the last ingredient and the most important,
Huh.
anardana.
Anardana. And this anardana, it's a very distinct flavor to this anardana.
Yeah, this is the main flavor for this dish. This anardana has come from all the way from Delhi, from Khari Bauli.
अच्छा.
That is a special.
चांदनी चौक का
Yeah,
market
Chandni
है.
Chowk, right.
तो यहाँ मिलता ही नहीं.
यहाँ पे यही नहीं मिलता है यहाँ पे.
सब ठीक है.
थोड़ा सा नमक कम है.
थोड़ा सा नमक कम है, थोड़ा और डालते हैं. थोड़ा टेस्ट कर लूँ. Very chutney flavor, strong. So this is done. All that's left to do now is eat. So basically, I've got the whole of Amritsar on my table over here.
That's
Huh?
great.
Fantastic. The parathas done Amritsari style, and all this wonderful food. Now this is the
Murg kali mirch dodhyanvi.
This is
We have made this a prawns kadai.
this
This
is
is Amritsari boti bhuna masala. This is mutton.
Amritsari boti bhuna
Bhuna
masala, mutton. Okay.
This is butter chicken.
No
Not
Punj-
makhani.
No Punjabi meal is complete without a butter chicken.
Definitely.
Butter chicken तो मांगता है. Oh, yeah, this is the.
This is chicken chutney anardana.
Let's start with this. I'm going to be a pig and dig into this straight away like this. Pisan ji, this is fantastic.
Thank you.
पराठे वाले गली में भी नहीं मिलता ऐसा. बहुत ही अच्छा है. And the fact that it is double layered, crisply fried on top,
And no oil on it.
and no oil, not oily. And it's got a nice tanginess to this, which is, oh god. Chola. This chola is also
Now
a
the-
very typical Delhi wala, no? Delhi wala chola.
This we give you chola bhaturas.
Abhi, we'll try some chicken now. This is looking so nice and rich.
This I want to try to with this Amritsari naan.
How is it different from another normal naan?
It's
Very
basically
soft.
it's basically the same style, but you know this we mix it with ghee, and it's the main style we're needing, like dough,
Okay.
and it's the recipe is absolutely different, and that makes it more different from the normal naan.
But you're right. The minute I broke into this naan,
It's,
it's soft.
even an 80-year-old man can eat it without their teeth.
I love this gravy. जो काजू है उसमें, जो मलाई है उसमें. And again, this got a certain tanginess which is coming from the. And most importantly, the chicken is cooked really well first. The tandoor में जो टिक्का है.
That flavor gives you more, like
Yes. Chicken chutney anardana. This is very unusual, The flavor of the chutney is the predominant flavor with the anardana.
Anandana gives you that ting, like the tangy ting.
Tanginess comes because of the anardana. And to be honest, I have never tasted anardana before.
Oh.
First time I'm tasting it,
That's
it's very nice.
That's great.
Very nice. Prawns kadai. I'm going to try it by itself only because it looks so nice. Everything has a bit of green chili in it. Because the flavor of green chili is a fantastic flavor. Very nice. I'm licking my fingers,
This mutton dish is with the mutton keema and boneless piece of meat.
So the gravy is made out of mutton keema and there is meat in it.
Yeah,
So it's a double dose of meat. Very interesting. Kapil Singh ji, आपने तो कमाल कर दिया. This is very good food. But your keema is very fine. So I'm getting the flavor of meat. वैसे लगता नहीं कि कीमा खा रहा हूँ. लगता है कि ग्रेवी खा रहा हूँ. लेकिन वो मीट का फ्लेवर आता है इसमें. Butter chicken now. Now this is the thing about the butter chicken. वो जो अमृतसरी बटर चिकन होता है उसका कलर ही अलग होता है. यहाँ बम्बई में लाल मिलता
People
है.
they make Bombay according to the Gujarati style. मीठा बना देते हैं.
मीठा बना देता
ये
है.
बिल्कुल मीठा नहीं है.
This is done as per अमृतसरी स्टाइल.
ये पंजाबी खाना कभी भी मीठा नहीं होता.
कभी भी ना रहता. ये असली. बस बहुत खाया, बहुत पेट भर गया। वाह, मजा आया। कपिल सिंह जी, thank you very much.
My pleasure, sir.
It was a
Anytime.
pleasure to eat this food.
Thank you very much.
I could not imagine that that same flavor of Amritsar you brought over here, and with such a variety of food. Thank you. Left hand, sorry.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Well, I've had a taste of Amritsar, a small taste of Amritsar. I'm going to come back and eat the 1,000 varieties of parathas though. Unfortunately, this brings us to the end of this episode. If you want to write to us at weekend@times.tv. Till the next time, it's bye.